What if I told you there's a place where fire meets ice, where you can walk between two continents, and where nature puts on a show so spectacular it feels like magic? Welcome to Iceland, a land like no other, and today, I'm going to show you why Iceland absolutely needs to be on your bucket list. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be packing your bags. Let's start with Iceland's nickname, the. This is one of the few places on Earth where you can witness volcanic eruptions and massive glaciers all in one day. The contrast of fiery lava fields against icy glaciers is something straight out of a fantasy novel. Want to hike on a glacier in the morning and relax in a geothermal hot spring by evening? Iceland's got you covered. Next up, the Northern Lights, or as I like to call them, nature's most jaw-dropping light show. Iceland's long, dark winters make it one of the best places in the world to see these magical auroras. Imagine standing under a blanket of stars with ribbons of green, pink, and purple swirling above you. It's a moment that will stay with you forever. Now let's talk about Iceland's otherworldly landscapes. From the black sand beaches of Renisfjara to the moss-covered lava fields, every corner of Iceland looks like it belongs on a movie set. And did you know you can actually walk between two tectonic plates at Thingvellir National Park? That's right, this is where the North American and Eurasian plates meet. It's like standing in two places at once. Waterfalls are everywhere in Iceland. Skogafoss, Seljalandsfoss, Dettifoss, each one more breathtaking than the last. Some are so powerful they'll leave you in awe, while others let you walk right behind them for a once-in-a-lifetime view. If you're a fan of photography or just love being surrounded by natural beauty, Iceland's waterfalls are a must-see. And of course, the iconic Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa isn't just about relaxation, it's a full sensory experience. The warm, mineral-rich waters surrounded by black lava fields make it feel like you've stepped onto another planet. But Iceland isn't just about nature. The people and culture are just as captivating. The Icelandic people are some of the friendliest and most innovative in the world. Plus, Reykjavik, Iceland's capital, offers a vibrant art scene, incredible food, and cozy cafes where you can soak in the local vibes. Whether it's whale watching in Húsavík, exploring crystal-clear ice caves, or riding a snowmobile across a glacier, Iceland is an adventure lover's dream. There's never a dull moment here. So what are you waiting for? Iceland isn't just a destination. It's an experience that will leave you speechless, inspire your soul, and give you memories to last a lifetime. Add it to your bucket list now, because some places can't be described in words. They need to be. See you in Iceland. Love this video? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration, and drop a comment below. Have you been to Iceland, or is it on your bucket list? Let's chat. And as always, thank you for watching.